Welcome to Redline Review. The 2026 BYD Campervan is an electric vehicle that combines innovative, fully functional interior design with high-performance engineering. This motorhome, which was constructed by BYD, a world leader in electric vehicle innovation, provides zero-emission mobility without sacrificing luxury, speed, or style. Performance. Up to 600 horsepower and immediate torque can be produced by the dual-motor, all-wheel drive electric propulsion system of the 2026 BYD Motorhome. Additionally, it has a 700-kilometer, 435-mile range between charges. In less than 35 minutes, the RV can reach 80% charge thanks to BYD's blade battery technology. Even at highway speeds, the drive's low center of gravity and clever suspension system offers stability, smoothness, and whisper-quietness. Outside design. The futuristic external design includes LED matrix lighting, a large panoramic windscreen, and smooth aerodynamic curves. The RV has a completely integrated solar panel rooftop for extra electricity and is supported by 22-inch aerodynamic wheels. It has a contemporary, high-tech appearance thanks to its striking front fascia and BYD's iconic lighting strip. Stylish interior design, eco-friendly materials, and modern smart home technologies greet you in an exquisite, yet environmentally mindful decor. A personal entertainment system, automated curtains, LED mood lighting, and a king-size memory foam bed are all features of the main bedroom. The highest degree of comfort and solitude is offered by the noise-insulated walls. The bathroom suite has heated floors, a rainfall shower, a touchscreen-controlled anti-fog mirror, and a smart toilet with bidet features. BYD's filtering technology powers clean water systems. Living area. A large living area featuring a 65-inch retractable smart TV, vegan leather couches, a foldable desk, and a panoramic glass ceiling that can be turned translucent or opaque. Kitchen, fully furnished with a touchscreen-controlled oven, a digital inventory-managed refrigerator, a smart induction cooktop, and a small dishwasher. Reclaimed quartz is used to build countertops. Climate and light control. Your home's lighting and temperature can be adjusted with smart sensors. The voice assistant, a smartphone app, or the primary touchscreen can be used to operate everything. Technology and features. An integrated solar array for off-grid support and backup energy. Satellite internet and worldwide 5G connectivity. A concealed garage for an e-bike or scooter. Semi-autonomous highway cruising with BYD Intelligent Drive Assist. An augmented reality AR windscreen for navigation and hazard detection. And an intelligent energy management system for cost-effective power consumption. More than just a vehicle, the 2026 BYD Motorhome is an all-electric, self-sufficient, opulent mobile house. This RV offers contemporary travelers cutting-edge performance, innovative design, and complete eco-conscious comfort, whether they are camping off the grid or traveling abroad.